Hey guys, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. The official launch is scheduled for 23rd this month, but thanks to Jimmy, he's a famous Samsung leaker, we got an early hands-on look to this not so gorgeous device. He said it's going in between the Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus in terms of the specifications, and in terms of design it looks like the Galaxy A51. You can see the plastic back like Galaxy Note 20 and flat display with a huge chin and top. Yeah, looks like a cheap flagship design, and it is actually the cheapest flagship from Samsung this year. So there's a 6.55 inches full HD plus 120Hz display, which is really nice cause Samsung used 60Hz in the Galaxy Note 20, so smooth display is must for a flagship in 2020. He said the punch hole contains 32 megapixel selfie shooter and it's as huge as Galaxy A51 punch hole design. And Samsung is using an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, so the front design is not bad. The back camera contains same Galaxy S20 like flagship sensors, 12 megapixel main, 12 megapixel wide angle and 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical and 10x digital zoom. I've used the Galaxy S20 Plus and the camera performance colors are just amazing. You will see 6 color options, select the green and red one, which one you think looks best. Now Samsung is once again using Exynos 900 CPU for 4G markets and Snapdragon 865 CPU for 5G markets. See, I would love to pay for 865 CPU even if it costs like a few bucks extra than the Exynos one, because Exynos S20 performance, speed, battery life is nothing in front of Qualcomm's 865 CPU performance. You might have seen many videos, no one wants Exynos CPU right now. They can easily go one-on-one with OnePlus in terms of the speed and performance if they use 865 CPU. Many would choose Samsung or OnePlus for sure. The S20 FE also got wireless charging, IP68 certification, 15 watts brick inside the box with 25 watts of fast charging support, and all the Samsung features. Again, only con I see is Exynos CPU and not so amazing design. The later is also acceptable but not firmer. So that's all guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.